Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax in Rogers. Today we're going to take a look at a 2024 Premier 250 Solaris. This is going to be a tri-tune, 25 foot in length. We do have the white upper, black bottom, and then the granite rails right here that look really good on this boat. As we make our way down to the stern of the boat, this does have the electric bimini top, and then we have our ski tow point back here. And this is powered by a 250 horsepower Mercury outboard. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. So starting on the stern of the boat here, we have the RF layout. So this is going to be your traditional seating on either side with your center walk-through up to the bow. We have tons of storage underneath all these seats on the boat. This does have the tan upholstery and the driftwood flooring, which really complements one another. We have the high back captain and co-captain seating. Both of these chairs do swivel and adjust. And at the helm here, we do have a flip-up bolster. So if you're right here and you need to see behind the boat a little bit better, it's going to give you more visibility. And then at the helm, and what you get on all the Premiers here is going to be a raised helm. And then we option this boat with the twin Simrad 9-inch displays. So you're going to have all your chart plotting, engine diagnostics, lighting packages. Everything's going to be very accessible here at the helm. We also have our tilt steering wheel, and this does have your digital throttle and shift. And then great sound quality on the boat is going to be your JL audio. Another neat feature over here is going to be a couple of trash cans underneath, and then your glove box. And then if you walk over to the helm itself and open up the door, you're going to have another trash can, paper towel holder, and then tons of storage below. Maximizing that space in the third tri-tune here. It's going to be a large ski locker, tons of room to put skis, either your cover, your poles, any of your belongings when you get on the water. And then at the bow, again, seating on either side, tons of storage underneath all the seats. And since this is a 25-foot tri-tune, it's rated for 17 passengers, so it's going to have a lot of room and space for your friends and family. Again, this is a 2024 Premier 250 Solaris. It's located here at our store in Rogers. Come on by and take a look. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.